Hey everyone, Richard C. Wilson. I'm here in Vienna, Austria. We're downtown. I'm actually putting on just a event just for 15 people. First time I've done this. It's only for families that are worth $50 million, $100 million. And it's for families that would either put together their family office, help launch their family office, have sourced deals for them. One of the families here, we helped them learn how to raise capital. They bought a company, sold it for $100 million. The point of this video though is I want to talk about family values. In the Boy Scouts growing up, we had to recite the Boy Scout law, which is basically the values of being a Boy Scout. And I realized my girls were not in Boy Scouts and didn't have that going into their brains. So we created our own family values. And I wanted my 9-year-old daughter, Maya, here to share what our family values are.
Now?
Sure.
Okay. Healthy, bold, brave, clean, cheerful, kind, kaizen, grit, responsible, respectful.
Great, nice job. So we have them above our kitchen table. They get rewarded when they follow the family values. What do you get when you follow the family values?
Fun tickets.
What do you get with fun tickets?
You can get prizes from Target.
That's right, or prizes off our shelf in my office. What are the 2 words that summarize our family values?
Strength and honor.
Great, so basically, if I had to do it over again for my family, I wouldn't choose a dozen values. I would choose 5 that were more simple to memorize, faster to memorize for kids, and faster to keep, or easier to keep track of. So we summarize the values through strength and honor, because a lot of them roll up to that, but we have about a dozen family values that we try to live by as a family. And this is something that is free to do. It costs nothing to establish the family values. It really doesn't take a lot of time. And if everybody knows it's important for a company to have family values to operate together and stay on the same page, why would every family not have family values? It's even more important that your family stays together and operates on the same page. So I just wanted to share that real quick. I thought since I brought my daughter here to this event, it'd be cool to have her just show that she'd memorize the values, and that is important to us. It's not something we just talk about. It's something real. Me having her here with me is part of our family values, and us kind of helping her learn more about our business, etc. Help me stay clean there and healthy. So I appreciate you following our work and watching the video. And we're going to be recording about half a dozen more videos of insights of what we learned from meeting with these families over this whole week that we're here in Austria. Talk soon. Bye.
Join the Family Office Club by visiting familyoffices.com. We look forward to seeing you at our next live event.